Hello everyone, welcome to my Python short video tutorial. So far in this Python basic short video tutorial, we have wrote two Python programs. And in this video, we are going to write one more and show you how you can use comments in Python. If you wonder what a comment is, let's get into this video. A comment in programming words is actually a line that doesn't need to be run when you try to run it. So basically we use comment to explain our logic in our codes. So later if you read your code, you are going to remind yourself what you're trying to do while you write those codes. And also if you are working with a large team, and developing a very complex software with multiple developers, then those comments will be very handy for them to understand what you are thinking at the moment. So today I'm going to create another Python script in Vim. I'm going to call it the comments example.py. So just a quick review, we can use print to print whatever value that is on the screen. So if now I save this and then open another terminal and then go into the same directory of the new script that I just created, like here. So you can see there is a comments example.py, so I can run that Python program and I get this is a value. So I just print out this is a value on the screen. Let's go do something more. So let's add another print function and then print another value. And then we save it. And now if we run it again, you're gonna see it print out two lines on the screen and they are two values. So basically there are two strings and we're gonna get into string in the video in the future. So don't worry about if you don't understand what a string is. And as you can see, it prints out two lines on the screen. So that's because we use toPrint function in our Python script. So if you want to explain what your code does, you will need to type in a line that's starting with the pound sign. So you add your explanation of your code in here. So this is a line to print out another value. And also you might want to explain the first print function as well. So this is a line to print a value, and if you save it, actually these two lines starting with pound sign will actually not be considered as a Python command. So when Python runs, it's gonna ignore this two lines and just run the rest of lines in this script. Let's verify that. So we save this, and then we run this program again, which you're expecting. It prints out two lines, so it should be exactly the same behavior as last time we run it. So let's hit enter and run it. And as you can see, it just acts the same as the last time. So that's what we expected. So basically a comments in Python, it's starting with a pound sign. If you want to ignore some codes in your Python, you can actually add a pound sign to the line that in front of the comments that you want to skip. And if you save this Python script and run it again, as you can see, it will only print one value on the screen, which is this is the value. That's the line 2 does. So that's how you use Python comments. It's very useful to explain what your code does. And it's very handy if you're working in a large team developing a very complex software. So for other developers in a team, it's very handy for them to understand what you are thinking when you write those codes. And also it's going to help for yourself in the future as well when you read the code that write by your own and you might forget what you are thinking while you write those codes. So comments is very useful, very handy. Hopefully this makes sense. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next one.